Hello friends, welcome to our new video Defense Jobs for Graduates and Engineers Part B. In this video we are talking about what are the career options or job options available for graduates and engineers in defense field. For easiness in explaining this, let us first divide Indian defense field as follows: Indian Army, Indian Navy, Air Force, Coast Guard, Central Armed Police Forces, ordnance factories, other defense manufacturing industries. As you know, this is the part B video in this defense series, and in the first video we already said about the career chances in Indian Army and Navy. If you are not seen that video, please subscribe our channel and see that video also. We will give the video link in description. Now let us begin the video with Indian Air Force. There are three branches in Air Force: one flying branch, ground duty technical branch, ground duty non-technical branch. In this first flying branch, in flying branch, graduates and engineers are trained as a fighter pilot or a helicopter pilot or a transport pilot and are the part of various peace and wartime missions. Various modes of entry into flying branch for a graduate or engineer are through UPSC, through NCC Air Squadrons, through Air Force Common Admission Test. In this first, graduate entry scheme through UPSC. UPSC conducting the Combined Defense Service CDS examination for the recruitment of candidates into the Indian Military Academy, Officers Training Academy, Indian Naval Academy and Indian Air Force Academy. The UPSC will conduct the CDS exam twice a year in the month of February and September. Men only can enter through this mode of entry and will get a permanent commission. Eligibility criteria through UPSC are age 20 to 24 at the time of commencement of course, nationality Indian, martial status single, gender men only, education qualification graduate in any discipline with physics and mathematics at +2 level or BE or BTech. Final year or semester students are also eligible to apply. No percentage bar for CDSC exam. Next is graduate entry through NCC special entry. Air Wing Senior Division C certificate holder of the National Cadet Corps can apply to the flying branch of Indian Air Force. Men and women can join in the Air Force through NCC special entry. Permanent commission offered for men and short service commission for men and women. Advertisement for NCC special entry released by Indian Air Force in the month of June and December. Eligibility criteria age 20 to 24. Those who have valid and current commercial pilot license by DGCA India is relaxed up to 26 years. Nationality Indian. Martial status single. Education qualification graduate in any discipline with physics and mathematics at +2 level or BE or BTech. Final year or semester students also can apply. Next is graduate entry through Air Force Common Admission Test AF-CAT. Through AF-CAT, both men and women can enter for Short Service Commission SSC in the flying branch, Short Service Commission in flying branch for 14 years with no further extension. Eligibility age 20 to 24. Those who have commercial pilot license is relaxed up to 26 years. Nationality Indian, martial status single, education qualification graduate with physics and maths at +2 level or BE or BTech. Final year or semester students are also can apply. Next is ground duty technical branch. As an officer in the ground duty technical branch needs to propel and manage his team to ensure that the Indian Air Force remains airworthy. He would be in charge of some of the most sophisticated equipment in the world. Modes of entry through Air Force Common Admission Test. Depending upon your stream of engineering and subject studies, we could join on the sub branches of ground duty technical branch: aeronautical engineering, mechanical, Aeronautical Engineering, Electronics. For both men and women can enter through this entry. Permanent commission for men and short service commission for men and women. Ground duty technical eligibility criteria are age 20 to 26 years, nationality Indian, martial status. Candidates below the age 25 should be unmarried. Education qualification BE or BTech from recognized university with minimum 60% mark. Depending upon your stream of engineering and subject studied, you could join one of the sub-branches like aeronautical mechanical or aeronautical electronics. Final year or semester students can also eligible to apply. Next is ground duty non-technical branch. Managing human and material resource, the ground duty non-technical branch is the mechanism that steers Indian Air Force. Modes of entry through Air Force Common Admission Test. For both men and women can enter through this entry. Permanent commission for men and short service commission for men and women. Depending upon the qualification, we could join one of the sub-branches of ground duty technical branch. Sub-branches are administration branch, air traffic controller, flight controller, accounts branch, logistic branch, education branch, meteorology branch. Eligibility criteria for ground duty non-technical branch are age 20 to 26 years, in nationality Indian, martial status. Candidates below the age 25 should be unmarried. Education qualification graduate 3-year course in any discipline from a recognized university with physics and maths at +2 level or BE or BTech. Final year or semester students are also eligible to apply. That's all for the Indian Air Force. Before going to next section, please subscribe our YouTube channel Mech Engineering World for further updates. Next is Indian Coast Guard. Indian Coast Guard is an armed force search and rescue and maritime law enforcement agency that protects India's maritime interest and enforces its maritime law with jurisdiction over the territorial waters of India. It operates under the Ministry of Defense. The Coast Guard works in close operation with Indian Navy, the Department of Fisheries, the Department of Revenue, and the Central and State Police Forces. Graduates or engineers are appointed as officers in any one of the branches of Indian Coast Guard: General Duty Officer, Pilot Officer, Technical Officer, Law Officer. Lady officers have two branches: General Duty Officer and Pilot Officer, and they are not deployed on board Indian Coast Guard ships. How to join in Indian Coast Guard? Eligibility criteria: age 20 to 25 years, nationality Indian. Education qualification for General Duty Officer and Pilot Officer: graduate 3-year course in any discipline from the recognized university with physics and maths at +2 level or BE or BTech course. For Technical Officer, BE or BTech must be recognized by AICTE on mechanical or naval architect or marine or automobile or mechatronics etc. branches for engineering branch entry, or electrical or electronics, instrumentation, telecommunication etc. branches for electrical branch entry. For Law Officer, a degree in law from the recognized university, 3-year law after graduation or 5-year law after +2. You can apply through online shown the screen https joinindiancoastguard.gov.in. Next is Central Armed Police Forces. Central Armed Police Forces CAPF is a common name of the security forces like Border Security Force BSF, Central Reserve Police Force CRPF, Central Industrial Security Force CISF, Indo-Tibetan Border Police ITBP, Shastra Simapal SSB, National Security Guard NSG, Assam Rifles, etc. It is under the Ministry of Home Affairs. How graduates or engineers can join in Central Armed Police Forces CAPF? Graduates or engineers can join in CRPF in the post of Assistant Commandant AC or Sub Inspector. Selection process: Assistant Commandant AC posts are filled through UPSC. Sub Inspector SI posts are filled by respective forces through direct entry or through UPSC or through promotion policy. Eligibility criteria: age 20 to 25, nationality Indian. Education qualification: graduate, 3 years course in any discipline from recognized university with physics and maths at +2 level, or BE or BTech 4-year course. That's all the options available for applying Central Armed Police Force and for graduates and engineers. At the starting of this video, we said that for the easiness in explaining in career options in defense field, we are divided Indian defense field as follows. Due to time limits, we are stopping this video here. Next category like ordnance factory and other defense manufacturing industry will be explained in the next video. This video is part of the 18 job chances available for a mechanical engineer video series. For the details of next categories of videos, please subscribe and share our channel Mech Engineering World. Thank you.